I messed up. I forgot to film the intro to this video before getting my haircut. I have already gotten my haircut, and okay, I have an idea. One second.
Hey little Willies, how's it going? It's been a while. I've gotten bad at making videos consistently. That's okay. I even came up with a creative intro for today's video, as opposed to the normal staring at the camera with my regular face. I made myself a new face. Actually, it's not really me being creative. It's more me trying to hide the fact that I didn't really do a good job introducing this video, and I already got the haircut. How am I supposed to introduce a video about me getting a haircut if in the introduction you see the results of the haircut? That's spoilers. I sound like one of Nerd City's characters right now. It just sort of came out. I don't really know what I'm doing.
Videos like this aren't about the destination. It's about the journey and the friends we made along the way. My throat hurts. What do you think? I'm a mullet man now. Maybe he's born with it, or maybe it's methamphetamine. That's how I feel right now. I haven't gotten a haircut since July of 2019. I am not joking. The only person around me I can trust to give me a haircut is Caretaker. Things have been going pretty slow here, and I haven't been making a lot of videos, which means Caretaker has not been properly tormented. Two birds, one stone. Let's get my haircut and torment Caretaker by creating a haircutting game show for her, where the prize is, no, there's no prize. Only torment. Let's rewind the clock about 1 week, because I'm filming this intro after the fact. Kitty, get out of the way, I'm filming. Welcome to William Osman's haircutting show, where the contestants have no idea how to cut hair.
No, don't cut my hair, leave me alone.
When I woke up this morning, I realized I have really long hair. I look like the caveman from the Geico commercial. I look like the caveman from the Casey Neistat channel. Introducing our first contestant. Come over here. I gotta mic you up too. Don't be afraid.
Contestant makes it sound like I have to get a haircut.
No. You're the contestant as in you're giving the haircut. Let's put that in there.
William.
Nice. Tell me, ma'am, what is your name?
Chelsea.
And what experience do you have cutting hair?
I get my hair cut by a professional.
What experience do you have cutting hair?
When I was little, I used to cut my mom's dead ends off.
Well, I'm sorry to hear about your mother's passing. Let's continue on with the show. Do you know how this works?
I cut your hair?
You cut my hair, but there's twists and turns along the way.
Neutron does not care. He looks like he's about to fall asleep.
Come on, play along with the game show. We've got a camera up front, a camera to the side, and a camera right above us to show you guys all the action. Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh, also we're doing this without proper hair cutting supplies, if that wasn't evident. From Black & Decker, a brand new 45 horsepower electric hedge trimmer that I'm definitely going to return. Next up is a Fiskars 18-inch manual shear. It's like a hedge trimmer for poor people. No safety equipment is included because you can't afford it. For detail work, we have a brand new pair of Fiskars stick scissors.
Damn, they really do be cutting sticks.
Each tool will be hidden in a secret location. Shears are in the dishwasher, scissors in the oven, stick cutter in the drink drawer. I've even laid a trap by putting the largest tool in the microwave on a sticky note. Only an idiot would fall for this trick.
Oh no.
You fell for my trap.
No.
Your very own Black & Decker hedge trimmer corded saw blade. No, you have to.
I'm not doing that. I don't want to kill you. I'm not. Nope.
What? Now, can you try?
No,
Well,
this is dangerous.
Chelsea,
William.
people aren't going to take a game show seriously if you don't actually compete with the tools given to you.
Look at that blade. I can't even back into the garage, and you're going to trust me to use this to cut your hair?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. No. How? How can I safely do this? But you can't. Your hair is fluffy, but like I can't tell where the skull is.
I don't even know if this will cut hair.
I also have to not cut. No, it's still too much.
Ah.
It's still too much.
You haven't even asked me what haircut I want. I would like one mullet, please. No reaction to that?
Mullets are supposed to be short. Business in the front, party in the back. Oh, I'm shortening the front right now, and I'm trying to make it even. Is it the halo that's long? It feels mullet-like. It's really ugly.
How many iconic mullets can you name from pop culture?
Break my achy, breaky heart.
Top 10 historical mullets. Coming in at number 10.
Miley Cyrus has a mullet. Her mom gave her the haircut with the advice, like we're doing a video call with a professional.
Did she use gardening tools?
No.
Number 9. Joe Dirt. Number 8.
Blake Shelton.
Who's that?
He's a country singer.
Coming in at number 7. Nicolas Cage. Number 6, Tiger King. Coming in at number 5, Big Chungus. Coming in at number 4, the hot lifeguard from Stranger Things. Number 3, Pikachu from Pokemon. Coming in at number 2, President Barack Obama. Ah!
Growing up, you didn't have a mullet, you had bowl cut. I think I've given you a mullet because the point of mullets, they're really not attractive.
I look like a rat. Oh, yes! A strip is missing.
So that was an accident.
I can see a very distinct line right there. I kind of like looking different than I normally look. There is a look that I can achieve that is pretty glorious. I just need a comb. It's a little bit of beard comb action. I can sort of get, no, get away from me. Like, it makes me look like huge. Look, it's like a mane. I have a mane. What do you think, Chelsea? What do you think of my mane? But who cares what I think? Let's see what my friends think. Why are you laughing?
You look like one of Shredder's goons from I think it looks cool. I feel like it's like an 80s throwback, dude.
No way. It's not bad. I mean, you kind of look like a Viking,
Yeah?
actually. Yeah.
Yeah,
I dig.
You want one?
Oh man, I just cut my hair. I'm good, dude.
I like it. It's not bad. Should I cut my hair?
Yeah. You want Chelsea to do it?
No.
I think it's amazing.
Yeah.
But you could still, do you have enough to tease it out? Probably not.
I mean,
Oh my gosh. That's like, what, just like a weird, oh my gosh. Yes. Dude, you look like a totally different person.
Like a terrible
it's
person.
amazing how much a haircut can change a man.
Wow, I was not expecting. Oh my god.
Are you proud of what you've done?
Your hair?
Yeah. What do you think of it?
I hate it.
Are you proud of your work? You did it. How could you hate it if you did it?
I would like to clarify because William has called dozens of people to tell them like that I did this to him with zero context. He didn't say I made her do it. He didn't say this is for a YouTube video. He didn't say this is what I wanted and I begged her for this for days. and days and
Okay,
days.
that's enough.
There is something I did promise at the beginning of the last video I posted. And that is, I would showcase your beard if you sent me a picture of the stripe shaved down the middle. Unfortunately, what I did not realize is how many people would send me a picture of their beard, their massacred beard. And I have to somehow fulfill my promise. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm still trying to just even collect the pictures. So give me 1 second. I have started collecting beard pictures and realized that I have made a little bit of a mistake. There are literally hundreds of pictures and I cannot collect and show them all. I should not have asked for beard pictures without putting some sort of cap on it. I'm going to show as many as I can. It's 140 I'm going to show right now. If you're not in here, I'm very sorry. Let's begin. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, 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 very nice. Let's cover his nipples. Very nice, 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 very nice. What a handsome group of gentlemen. Very nice, 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 very. It's just a chin. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. I was wondering why we weren't seeing women, but I guess it sort of makes sense. Very nice, 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 very nice. Very nice, 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 very nice. No, that's a goatee though. Nice shirt though. Very nice, 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 very nice. You look crazy. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. What is that? So, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, very nice. Well, thank you very much for mutilating your beards for me. If you didn't get in the slideshow, which I know probably more than half of you didn't, I'm very sorry. I made a mistake. We'll see you next time. My apologies.